fans. This is Joey DeMartino, aka Joey D, aka America's Greatest Sports Fan, aka Godfather of Sports. On Monday, January 16th, 2023, I stayed at the Hampton Inn in South Hill, Virginia, while on a work trip. The hotel is located at the hotel is located at 200 Thompson Street in South Hill, Virginia, 23970. It's at the intersection of Thompson Street and East Atlantic Street. Location is about a quarter mile off Interstate 85, and nearby restaurants include Starbucks, Five Guys, Dominos, Bojangles, Arby's, Applebee's, and Sonic. At the hotel, the parking lot appeared well lit and safe. Check-in was quick. Front desk was very polite, friendly, and I was not greeted as a Diamond member. The room, business center, gym, and breakfast were all good. So I would highly recommend this hotel if you're in the South Hill, Virginia area. Thank you, sports fans. Have a blessed day. And please keep our first responders and military in your thoughts and prayers.